Selecting a high-quality case with integrated hinge protection is therefore an essential safeguard for keeping your Samsung Z Fold 8 Ultra running flawlessly. In this video, we evaluate 3 outstanding protective covers that comes with hinge protection.
Welcome to my channel, TechCrest. Here we review the latest tech products to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Before proceeding to the video, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started.
On number 1, we have Spidercase. Spidercase offers an impressively rugged solution designed for active users who need maximum drop defense without sacrificing full hinge coverage. Constructed with a dual-layer thermoplastic polyurethane and polycarbonate frame, this case fully encloses the exterior hinge when the phone is closed, sliding smoothly out of the way when the device unfolds. This case features a 3mm raised bezel around the camera and full hinge protection to help shield your phone from drops, scratches, and everyday wear. Reinforced corners are designed to absorb impact, providing extra protection against accidental bumps and falls. It also includes a built-in kickstand that opens and closes smoothly. When extended, it forms a sturdy triangular support, making it ideal for watching videos, gaming, or joining video calls without holding your phone. Once you're done, the kickstand folds neatly back into the case, preserving its slim and lightweight design. The durable dual-layer back construction adds dependable protection while keeping the case sleek and easy to carry. On number 2, we have Nilkin Case. Nilkin brings a refined balance of slim aesthetics and innovative practical engineering to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra with its dedicated protective cover. Designed for all-around protection, this case combines a durable polycarbonate, PC back, flexible TPU frame, and reinforced shock-absorbing corners to safeguard your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. It wraps around the phone's body, corners, and hinge to help protect against drops, scratches, and everyday impacts. Nilkin's patented rebound hinge design adds an extra layer of protection for the delicate hinge, helping reduce the risk of damage during daily use. The case also features 38 high-strength N52SH magnets that provide a secure connection with magnetic accessories. Whether you're attaching it to a wireless charger, magnetic car mount, or magnetic wallet, you can count on a strong, stable hold and seamless compatibility. For users seeking a stylish, versatile case that combines functional hinge defense with useful everyday accessories, Nilkin provides a thoroughly polished solution. On number 3, we have Spigen Slim Armor Pro Magfit Case. Spigen continues its tradition of industry-leading foldable protection with the Spigen Slim Armor Pro Magfit Case, engineered specifically for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. This case utilizes an advanced semi-automatic sliding hinge technology that offers complete, seamless coverage over the central spine, whether the phone is opened or closed. Built with air cushion technology inside shock-absorbing TPU and hard polycarbonate layers, it delivers certified drop defense without making the phone feel overly cumbersome. The integrated magnetic Magfit ring ensures high-speed wireless charging and robust compatibility with magnetic accessories while keeping the overall profile remarkably sleek. Precision cutouts provide tactile button feedback and easy port access, while raised edges protect both the outer screen and main camera housing. It represents the pinnacle of slim yet uncompromising hinge defense for demanding foldable owners. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.